This GT500 was bought brand new in 2020. The owner drove it for 6 months, then life happened. It's been locked in here ever since. 760 horsepower, just sitting. We bought it at auction for next to nothing. Let's see what we're dealing with.
Look at this paint. Competition orange, one of the most beautiful colors Ford ever made. Now it's completely chalked out. The Cobra decals are peeling, both rear tires flat. But here's the thing underneath all of this. The body is straight, no rust, no dents. This car has a chance.
Inside is worse. The Recaro seat's destroyed, carbon trim cracked, there are cobwebs on the steering wheel. This car had maybe 6,000 miles on it when it was parked. Now it looks like this. We're gonna fix every single thing you see in this cabin.
Ramp's coming up nice and slow. Yeah, looking good. She's settling flat. All secure now. Good work. Let's move out. Careful with the straps, let's get it inside. Looks pretty rough, body damage is extensive. We'll assess it, unload it slowly. There it is, the Shelby. Looks rough, let's get it inside. Check the straps and let's unhook it. Got it, ready when you are.
Nobody touched this car for 15 years. A 2020 Shelby GT500, one of the most powerful Mustangs ever built, just sitting here, forgotten. Today, we bring it back.
First, we washed 15 years of neglect off this car. Watch what happens to this paint. That color was always there, just buried. The oxidation comes off in one pass. Competition orange coming back to life. This is why we do this.
"15 years ago, someone parked this GT500 and walked away. Today, she's back. Competition orange, the way Ford intended. 760 horses, ready to run. This is what we do. Drop in the comments, what car should we rescue next?